Part 8, Working with Formula. You will find this on page 90 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Now let's look at an example. Given the formula s equals a half n bracket n plus 1 close the bracket, find the value of s when n is 8 or n is 19. We do exactly the same. We write down the formula and then we put brackets around the variables, the alphabet letters, and then we basically just substitute in there. And then we calculate it out. First do that bracket 9 times 8 times a half, and it's 36. And when n is 19, I do exactly the same, and I will find an answer of 190. Now, if we're going to look at geometry later on, and we're going to work out area and perimeter and volume, this type of substitution is going to be very important. Now, the formula S equals a half n bracket n plus 1 close the bracket relates the variables n and s. When the value of n changes, the value of s is also changed, as you can see in that examples. I want you to stop the video, and I want you to do for me, let's just put it here, do for me try now 11. And as soon as you have finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's look at try now 11. If d, and then they give me the formula, find the value of d when u is 15, t is 2, and a is 10. Very important in physical science and other subjects that you can work with formula. Okay, so first we write down the formula. And now remember, it's working exactly the same as evaluating an expression. This is actually an expression on the right hand side. Put brackets around all the alphabet letters. So just do that. Rewrite everything, rewrite the bracket, and just clean the inside. Okay, and now substitute. In the place of u, I'm going to put a 15. In the place of t, 2. In the place of a, 10. And in the place of t, 2. And then I'm going to 15 times 2, it's 30. Plus, people, please remember, you can do that multiplication, but you cannot multiply here because you are sitting with that power. You must first calculate the power. So just rewrite everything until you do come to the power part. And then say 2 times 2, and what will be 2 times 2? That will be 4. And now we can rewrite the 30. And this will be, okay, what is 10 times 4? It's 40. And the half of 40 will just be 20. And then 30 plus 20 will be 50. And that will be the value of D.